Hello everyone, my name is Percy Arleke, and today I'm going to present my final project for the course, the Virtual Curator. This is a fully functional web application to help users explore and curate their own collection of masterpieces from the Metropolitan Museum of Art. And the application is built using a stack of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, following a modular architecture without any external JS frameworks. And let's start with our core functionalities. The app uses the Met Museum API, you can see here, and to fetch thousands of records. On the home page, we have a feature gallery, and if I, for example, here type Van Gogh and click and enter, press enter, you can see here the results are rendered dynamically. I have also implemented a surprise me feature that fetches a random artwork from the museum vaults. This involves recursive fetching to ensure we only display items with high quality images. And additionally, uh, I integrate a second tier party API, Wikipedia. When I click on a artist name, the app opens a detailed model and fetches their biography in real time. For example, here, if I want more information about the biography, I click here and open in a new tab Wikipedia. And next, regarding the user interface, I focus on advanced CSS features to meet the complete criteria of the rubric. You can see several examples here. For example, the art cards use keyframes, frame in animation as the enter the doom. And for example, the search button, and the favorite heart icon uses smooth transitions and scale transforms to provide a responsive feel. And I use CSS grid with repeat autofill to create a robust, responsive gallery that works perfectly on mobile, you can see here, and desktop. desktop. I also build a custom light box. If I click, for example, here, if I click the image in the model, it zones into a full screen view using a smooth transition. And when then on the technical side, I am handling no trivial JSON data. As you can see in this model, I display uh, over 8 unique attributes from the AP, including the medium, the culture, dimensions, department, and credit line, for example. And one of the most important features is the local storage implementation. And when I, for example, here, when I heart an artwork, for example, this, um, it is saved to a favorites arranged in the browser's local storage. For example, here you can see here my collection, and well, and even if I refresh the page or close the browser, for example, I refresh. For example, I'm going to refresh the page and then click collection. You can see here that the same images here. Or I close. For example, I'm going to close, but mm, and then I'm going to refresh, open the the web application, and then click here. You can see here the same images, and my collection is retrieve and render again, ensuring a persistent user experience. And well, the code is organized using ES modules. I have separated the cursors APIs. APIs handles data fetching Wikipedia API, handles the secondary API, and the main the user interface orchestration. And the code is clean, follows ES-lint rules, and use modern assign await syntax for all asynchronous operations. And for example here, well, this project has been a great opportunity to demonstrate my skills in front-end development, API integration, and user experience design. All documentation and the Trello board are linked in my submission. And that's all. Thank you for watching.